Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for creating the outdoor space of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are stepping into a world of tranquility and ancient wisdom as we explore the captivating beauty of traditional Japanese plants. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny balcony, the intentional placement of these botanical treasures can turn any environment into a meditative retreat. Join me as we uncover the secrets of Zen gardening and how you can bring a touch of the Orient to your own home. In the context of landscaping, traditional Japanese plants represent more than just greenery. They are symbols of the profound connection between humanity and the natural world. In Japanese culture, gardens are designed to be a microcosm of nature, where every leaf and branch carries a specific meaning, such as the endurance of the pine or the fleeting beauty of the cherry blossom. Choosing these plants for your outdoor living area isn't just about aesthetics. It's about embracing a philosophy of wabi-sabi, or finding beauty in imperfection and the natural cycle of growth and decay. By incorporating these varieties, you create a space that encourages mindfulness, reduces stress, and offers a timeless elegance that transcends modern trends. The mountainous topography of Japan supports a wide variety of plants, with some plants thriving in hot, humid summers, while others require dry conditions and heavy snowfall with a period of dormancy. These 9 plants are Japanese icons that are perfect for a Zen garden or lovers of Japanese culture. One, azalea or rhododendron. Japanese gardeners have been growing azaleas for centuries, prizing them for their trumpet-shaped spring flowers in shades of pink, yellow, salmon, red, violet, and white. Modern hybridizers have developed a reblooming azalea, so you do not have to wait for another spring to enjoy the floral feast of this perennial shrub. Place your azalea shrub site in partial shade, and amend the soil with organic materials like compost or leaf mold to increase acidity. Azaleas like regular moisture, but they will rot in wet winter soils. 2, bamboo or Fargesia and Philostikis. Bamboo has insinuated itself into many parts of Japanese culture. Timber bamboo grows throughout Japan, and when harvested, it can be used for everything from homes and fences to chopsticks and fans. When choosing one of these members of the grass family for the garden, select a clumping type or Fargesia rather than one that spreads by runners or Philostikis. The running type is invasive and may even be prohibited in your region. A medium grower like dragon bamboo or Fargesia dracocephala is hardy to zone 5 and grows about 7 feet tall, which is just right for a focal point in a Zen garden. Bamboo plants appreciate some shade and regular moisture. 3, camellia or Camellia japonica. Planting a Camellia japonica in the garden can be the beginning of a lifelong love story, as these slow growers can live for hundreds of years. Large, lushly petaled blooms and glossy foliage brightens up the landscape in otherwise drab winter months, provided you live in zone 7 or higher. 4, cherry or prunus. Plant an ornamental cherry tree, and it will reward you with 4 seasons of beauty for many seasons to come. Pink or white spring blooms typically have an almond scent and attract eager bees just emerging from hibernation. Bright green leaves soon follow and provide an attractive anchor in a border, especially on weeping specimens. Fall and winter highlight handsome bark if you plant the papabark cherry, which features reddish bark with a striated texture. 5, hosta. A shady glen full of hostas is well suited to the Japanese garden aesthetic. The hosta is a naturalized plant found throughout Japan, and these native types are valued more than the hybrids North American gardeners grow. When you take into account size, leaf color and shape and flower appearance, you can have a very diverse shade garden comprised entirely of hostas. The key to success in growing hostas that increase in size every year is irrigation. Water is like fertilizer to a hosta. 6. Hydrangea or hydrangea. Hydrangeas are a popular ornamental plant in Japan, especially the macrophylla types that color shift between pink and blue depending on soil acidity. Hydrangeas are at their most lush state in climates with mild summers and ample rainfall. If your area has hot summers and dry spells, try the paniculata varieties, which are more forgiving of harsh weather than the big leaf types. 7. Iris or iris. Do you have an area of the garden that never seems to dry out? Take advantage of a soggy area with a planting of Japanese irises, which love to stay moist year-round. The iris insata is always hungry for both water and fertilizer, and it will reward you with flower stalks up to 5 feet tall. Planting Japanese irises near a water feature like a pond or stream will satisfy the growing needs of these plants, leaving you with nothing more to do than dividing old clumps every 3 years. 8. Lotus or Nelumbo nucifera. If you are lucky enough to have the space and resources to create a water garden, the lotus is a must-have plant for Japanese gardens. A mature lotus specimen is something to behold, and some varieties sport leaves that are 3 feet in diameter. However, home gardeners can grow dwarf varieties of this perennial like baby doll or crystal beauty in smaller ponds or barrels, as long as the roots do not freeze. Large flowers appear over 2 weeks in late summer. 9. Wisteria or Wisteria floribunda. When caring for a wisteria vine, you must not become a victim of your success. A mature wisteria vine can pass the tipping point, where it feels like the plant could take over the earth. It is considered invasive in some areas of the United States. 1. After flowering, prune the vine close to its support structure. This keeps growth in check and keeps the blooms easy to see. You may not even need support, as you can train the Japanese wisteria as a tree, limiting growth to a few limbs with biannual pruning. Creating a garden inspired by the traditions of Japan is a journey of patience and appreciation. By selecting plants like the vibrant Japanese maple, the resilient boxwood, or the elegant iris, you are building a living sanctuary that will evolve and grow more beautiful with each passing season. I hope today's guide has inspired you to slow down, look at your garden through a new lens, and perhaps plant a piece of history in your own backyard. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey through Japanese horticulture, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our Garden Decor Designs family. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these traditional plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly design tips and garden tours. Happy gardening!